Now, we did talk a lot about deployment, and it matters, and we did talk a lot about this standard build with next build. And that works and is the standard build for a reason. It's easy to use and easy to deploy, especially when using a service like Vercel, as you saw. But I did also mention this alternative, next export. We can't run it like this, but we can go to the package.json file and add a script for that. Like this. And here I created a brand new basic project, which you find attached now. It's a very basic project which only has one page, which does nothing special. And whenever you have a project that needs no server-side code, so no page revalidations, no fallbacks, no server-side props, no image optimization, that also requires server-side code because it's done on demand, on the fly. If you have such a project, so if you downloaded the attached project and run npm install in there, then you still need to run npm run build first, so this regular build command. You still need to do that first. But once that's finished, you can now run that export command, which I added to the package.json file, and this will now create such a static export. In this out folder, you now have everything you need. So you can take the content inside of that out folder and deploy that onto any static host. And you don't need anything else. You don't need a node server, nothing like that. But you have the limitations mentioned before. But that is an alternative for some pages which don't use any server-side features. And then you get a super slim static application which you can deploy, and all you need then is a static host. So that is something which you probably won't use that often, but which can be very useful for some applications and some projects, and which I therefore, of course, also wanted to cover here.